Leadership in government is political power, and political power is an official form of antagonizing the people.
Politics are
Necessary. Politics are rules imposed upon the people.
In this country, rules are not imposed. They are the wish of all free citizens.
Travel around a bit, then you'll see how free they are. They have every man in a straitjacket, and without a passport, he can't move a toe. In their free world, they violate the natural rights of every citizen. They have become the weapons of political despots. You don't think as they think. You're deprived of your passport.
Will you allow me
To leave a country is like breaking out of jail.
Yes,
and
but-
to enter a country is like going through the eye of a needle.
But
Am I free to travel?
Of course you're free to travel.
Only with a pass. Do animals need passports? It's in Congress that in this atomic age of speed, we are shut in and shut out by passport. And free speech, does that exist?
No, you've got it all.
And free enterprise. Can I go into the automobile business and compete with the Auto Trust?
If I can get in a word.
Not a chance. Can I go into the grocery